Okay, level 6, it's the same as level 5 really, we're just using a different rhythm. So doing exactly the same thing, you go into instruments, because I'm using the same instrument, I can click on that cloud and my instrument should be there somewhere. There we go, general percussion. Okay, make sure that cue is on to quantize it. I'm going to find a different sound. Okay, that's a bit different. Okay, so again, I'm going to loop it and practice. Okay, I'm happy with that. Put my metronome on, take off that loop and hit record. And there we go, just 1 bar is fine. Take off the metronome, make this 1 bar and loop it. And let's have a listen. Okay, so you've got 2 different rhythms there, so that is called polyrhythm, and that is a level 6.